मुझे बेफिजूल बात करने की आदत तो है नहीं।
I worked for my Kisan in Mathura belt. I helped them so much. I have also every right to go in the field and just take a picture. Where I'm not saying I'm going to do this cutting for a lifetime. It's not my job. I can never do it good. I'll be the zero.
आपके लिए जमीन सिर्फ जमीन है, किसान के लिए जमीन माँ है।
No, I was not much interested in politics at all. I was busy with my work, my dance, my films. So I never bothered to know what's happening. For me, I have not faced any problem as such. So I cannot say about others. Others, what they feel, I don't know. That I am little different, I must say. So I've been given a very comfortable position among the men also.
भला मेरा भी तो कुछ कर्तव्य है।
I have done a lot of things. I'm very proud to say that I have done so much work. I can prove it. The whole people of Mathura knows. जहाँ जहाँ इतना गंदी सड़क थी सबका ठीक करा। तो more than 1,000 crores of money is put in all the roads.
हाँ, अगर तुझे बॉम्बे घूमने का शौक है तो अक्खा बॉम्बे फोकट में घुमा दूंगा।
हेमा को उसका हक देंगे तो उस हक से मैं मांग रहा हूँ। हेमा की जीत, बहुत बड़ी जीत मांगता हूँ।
I'm very confident because I have done good work.